The same graph as before, question 3. We want to know what the domain of this. Remember, domain is the x values. So we're going to look at all the x values we're allowed to plug in. We'll start on the left side. That first x value is -5. Now that's an open circle, so we can't really get an output for that. So that -5, that open circle is always going to get a parenthesis. So we start with -5, and we go over and we look for any gaps in our x value. So there's a gap here in the y value, but if you look at the x value, -2 does have a spot. So even though you can't plug it in there, we can still keep going to the right without any breaks in the x values. And that covers over to here. And it looks like we can't plug in 1, but if you go down here, we do have a spot to plug in 1 here. So there still are no breaks until we hit this point right here, and then it stops at 4. Well, that 4 is included, so we get a bracket with that. So that's going to be your domain.